Hey guys, what's up? Today, in this video, I want to talk about the insane weather we have here in Utah. I live in Utah, and the weather here is crazy. It's insane, because some days are super cold. It's cold. And other days are super hot, and I'm sweating, and it's all over, and it's not good. And honestly, really, we don't have days that aren't cold and aren't hot, you know? Normally you have 4 seasons every year. Every year you have 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. But here in Utah, we have 2 seasons. We have winter and we have summer. Either it's cold or it's hot. And that's how it is here in Utah. And when it gets cold, it gets really cold, like -20 degrees Celsius. It's really cold, way below freezing, -20 degrees Celsius in the coldest part of the year. And in the summer, it gets up to, I don't know, 40 degrees Celsius, somewhere around 40 degrees Celsius in the hottest part of the year. And it's crazy. Today it's not that hot outside. It's not super hot. It's only a little bit hot because I'm recording this video in the morning. It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock in the morning right now. But in the afternoon, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it will be really, really, really hot. And I don't want to go outside in the afternoon. So that is why I'm recording this video right now in the morning. Because right now, it's actually not bad. It's quite nice. Right now, it's about 20 degrees Celsius outside right now. So it's quite nice, actually. I like it. Now, the weather here in Utah, some people will say it's really, really nice because every day it is always a clear sky. The sky is always clear every day in Utah, pretty much, basically. And we don't get very much rain. It doesn't rain very much in Utah. So I suppose that's a good thing. That's a good thing. But it does snow. It does snow here in Utah. Snow is pretty much frozen rain. Like when it's really cold in the winter, snow falls from the sky. But in the summer, a little bit of rain falls from the sky, but not very much, only a little bit. And in the winter, because in Utah, it snows, we have a lot of snow in Utah, a lot of people come here to Utah from other places, from other states in the United States or other countries in the world, to come here to ski, to go down the mountain, to ski down the mountain, or snowboard down the mountain. So that's very good. In Utah, we have a lot of snow in the winter. But sometimes I wish we didn't have very much snow. I don't like a lot of snow unless I'm skiing, because sometimes it's and I don't like a lot of snow. It can be annoying. I don't like it because the roads where you drive, on the roads, it's a pile of snow. How do you drive with so much snow? During the winter we have to have snow plows, cars, vehicles, pretty much, vehicles that plow the snow away from the road, get it off the road so people can drive on the road. And, sometimes in the winter in Utah, you may wake up and look outside and see there's 1 meter of snow outside. Well, maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit. Maybe it isn't 1 meter of snow, but we have a lot of snow here. So maybe it isn't 1 meter of snow, but we do have quite a lot of snow here in Utah. Now, I wonder what other places are like other countries are like, because I don't know if there are other places where it gets super cold and then super hot, like -20 Celsius and 40 plus degrees. Now, I don't know if there are other places, like other countries, that have this type of weather where it gets super cold and then super hot, because if you live near the equator, the middle of the earth, near the equator, you don't really have seasons, because it is always warm outside, It never gets cold, and I don't think it gets super hot either. It seems like near the equator, it's always 25-30 degrees Celsius. That's, maybe I could be wrong, but that's what I think. And if you live near the poles, if you live, like really far north, in Canada or in Russia, those places are really cold during the winter. I heard those places are really cold during the winter. I've heard that in Russia, in the north part of Russia, near the pole, near the Arctic Circle, we're up north, it gets so cold that you have to wear like 1,000 coats. You have to wear a ton of coats and jackets because it's just so cold. I heard it gets down to -50 degrees Celsius in Russia. Wow, that's that's too cold. I could not live in Russia. That is too cold. Now Utah is okay. It's all right. There are other places that are worse, that are not as good as Utah, like if you go more north in the United States, like Montana or North Dakota or Washington or other states in the United States, it gets really cold. The winter up there in the northern states are even colder than in Utah, right? So I suppose I should be thankful. I should be happy that I live here in Utah, right? I should be happy because, as I said earlier, the sky is always clear. There are no clouds. So it's always sunny. It's always sunny. So that's nice. I suppose that's pretty much it. That's all I have to say today. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. See ya. Well, I suppose that's about everything I want to say today. Well, I suppose that's about everything to say about the weather here in Utah. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.